Important reminder: before assembling your LiberNovo chair, please put on the provided safety gloves. Some metal or plastic parts may have sharp edges. Your safety is our priority. We recommend keeping your original packaging for at least 7 days after receiving your order. Start by placing the chair base flat on an even surface. Take out the caster wheels. Press each one firmly into place. Repeat for all 5 casters. Ensure each caster is securely fitted. Once all casters are installed, flip the base over. Remove the safety cap from the gas lift. Insert the gas lift into the center of the base. Next, carefully position the seat frame above the gas lift and lower it into place. Pull out the inner linkage rod. Align it with the mounting holes. Insert the screw. Tighten securely using the included screwdriver. Ensure all parts are firmly connected before continuing. Begin by cutting the nylon ties. Place the adjustment assembly on the left side when facing the chair. Lift the seat cushion assembly and position it above the frame. Ensure the seat module's slide channels lock correctly into the base support brackets. Secure the seat with the provided screws. Use the long screws for the side mounts. Ensure the seat module is securely in place. Slide both armrests all the way forward. Use the short screws for the front of the seat. Remove the cardboard from the side slide channels. Pull the armrest back, then release. If it springs back on its own, the seat module is installed correctly. Place the component into the designated position beneath the seat. Secure the base of the adjustment component with 2 screws. Align the top of the backrest and slide the support bars into the slots until they click into place. Tighten 2 screws beneath the support bar to secure it. Set the bottom of the backrest into position. As before, tighten the 2 screws beneath the support bar to secure it. Remove the protective sticker from the lumbar adjustment knob. Pull out and turn the lumbar adjustment knob to ensure it rotates smoothly. Insert the tilt tension knob into the designated hole. Once installed, check that it's secure and turns smoothly. Insert the neck support pole into the top of the backrest frame until it clicks into place. To remove the neck support, press and hold the neck support release button, then pull it out.